What's up everybody, I'm Zamir from Access Tunes. Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna make a very chill R&B guitar beat, and if you're new here, please make sure to click that subscribe button, turn on notification, smash that like button, and also share this video to all your friends and family. Alright, so let's get started. I'm gonna start this beat with a guitar sound. I'm getting latency, so please forgive me for playing really bad. Three, four. Never mind, you can try again. I think I'm gonna draw this instead of playing because I'm getting latency and I really don't like it. So I was playing. To bring this up, okay, lower down the velocity a little bit. Bring this to E. So that was G, and I'm gonna copy and paste that and change this to C. So C, G. This one I'm bringing, yeah, that's C. This is, I think I should go to E, and this one to I'm gonna drop this to D. Let's hear it again. That sounds dope, right? Okay, now I like that. So I'm gonna rename this guitar lead. Okay, and I'm gonna change this to green. Okay, and set to loop. Okay, I'm gonna add Rhodes piano, electric piano. That sounds good. I'm just gonna use this electric piano for the chords. So I'm gonna go with E minor 7. Yep. And then C major 7. Yep. I want to have this chord strum a little bit. So to do that, I have to, okay, it's already strumming. I just have to change the velocity here a little bit. Okay, I think I'll just bring this here. Right, that sounds good. And I'm gonna go here and adjust the velocity. Okay, now they both sounds good together. Okay, I really like that, you know, so I'm gonna just add drums right now. Okay, let's go and get this. That sounds good. So let's get. The latency today is kind of bad. I need to check the settings. Okay, I'm gonna add another kick here and one more here. Let's try. That sounds good. Okay, now let's hear it. Let's add snare. That's good. Sounds good, right? Okay, now I'm gonna add snare. Okay. I think I'm gonna remove this kick sound here. Okay, now let's add I want to add shaker. Okay, kind of like that. Let's add one more element. Maybe I want to add a vocal effects, a vocal sound. Okay, I kind of like this, man. Okay, so let's copy this, and I'm gonna change this color to purple. So I'm gonna add 808. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add a guitar here. I like that. Now I'm gonna repeat this in the next bar. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the beat as well. If you guys did, please subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and smash that like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.